Good day, family. I'm from Pongabadria. And as I've been saying, you need to get yourself a daily guide. It will really be of help to you. Yesterday, I read something in a daily guide. Yesterday, we were reading Luke chapter 16. And when I was reading Luke, I've been reading this scripture over and over again, but whilst I was reading, I had certain understanding that I think I have to share with you. And it's all about human being and our selfish nature. So, what as far as it should be, and you what as far as it is no, or yeah, to some extent, or yeah, selfish kakra, or yeah, pesemin kuminya, nipa biya pesemin kuminya, nipa biya pesibia in dia. At the moment you begin to understand that that is your nature, you begin to think of how to overcome that nature. Because pesemin kuminya nyi subanya yesu bampa. It na trade yam punyankrompo amaya honkonkon said there be obetire share no direct in how to relate with men. Because one way when you bound so na de bia o prese wonko abenya without even thinking say unua ne benya na say unya. Now when you read Luke chapter 16 verse 1 to 3, I will allow us to focus on that place. Something happened and this thing drew my attention to something. Nipa bia wati as far as isu we bia no ansa na betua na mo bia ansa na obesisi unua ansa na obeka no kore ansa na obetwa ntro ansa na obefa de anya wo dia o consider sa nyoma wien enyoma mienu wesi ya adwemu ahoden ene honam ahoden honam ahoden etimi ye adwuma papa bia wo etimi ye school bia wakọ etimi ye ayonkofa bia no obi wo a on peso be lu sister ayonkofa no etimi ye nyoma bebre a emma ye honam ahoden sikeshi obotomo se sisika ne bema aha sanete introdu wa sisika woni botuma ma ne feel so powerful. Are you getting it? And adwemu ahoden nso eno nso timi ye enim guase enigye ade a mekokokan emma omunhum se minim nyansa ebemo adwene se magimi anamutu amitu ebemo se magimi. And these are the things that we will whenever we are taking decisions. So when you look through that scripture, you see something. This was a man who has been mismanaging his master's affair. And now the Bible said the master came to him and told him that you have not been managing my stars very well. So today I'm going to fire you. Instead for him to become remorseful, the Bible clearly states that he began thinking of how to survive after he has been expelled from that business. And that's how most of us we have been behaving. The reason why some of us found is because we are selfish. We are always thinking of how to survive with it. And in Penibibino, nipa bia obetua na mo a esisi ni nwane shows how weak you are psychologically, how weak you are physically. Are you getting it? Enti sa papa we say o kan nwoma mienu e o verse 3 na mbere ekwa we no say se koba se nkotu fo a meni ahoden se koba nso se yenko series car me ferry eni mu bibire die nti a ye use car yempe die nti a ye to edan a yempe die nti a ye si fi a ho hia die nti a ye se phone each and every month is because of these two things. I in kwan pa de to sa de no is because of these two things. One of them is either you are ashamed or it's either you don't have the strength. The reason why any power in the shade say now when you cooperate or you partner with people, it guarantees success. Are you getting it? But the reason why you can't partner with people is because of your selfish nature. You will be found seeing me from near Kosro. You'll be surprised there are some people who don't care. So far as just recently we have been hearing about certain news where some people are, unaliving people all because of protecting certain sheep. Are you getting it? And one way as I mean, we be more yidi kwasoye, ebe mu atwantro, enim guase ani ahodi oni be mu atwantro, enim guase ani ahodi oni ebe mu asisi unua, enim guase ani ahodi a uni, ebe mu akansem bi ni kwanso wo kan fa unua ho. And then we yasem ni say ni ne kokokokoba ebe wa also. Let me tell you something. These people that you are lying against just to get their favor, over time they will see that that's your nature. And they will also think of how to live without you. They make it massive. Internet me srow. So peso yi nipa o nimni a wo ya hwesa nwoma mienu we. Honemu ahoden ni adwuma ahoden. Asetina bra wo no se koba so wanyi bibiye na so bi be ka kire so wanyi di ya. Tena se reflect on what you did not do well. Some of you that you catch also your CC4 and you are okay with it. Some of you they have been telling you you are selfish and you are okay with it. Don't be okay with it because it's a poor character that you need to change from. This man was one of is an epitome of a selfish person. because he was thinking of how to survive. And even to survive, he was going to, if even his master was going to lose 50%, does not care. And that's how some of us have been behaving over time. Today is my humble prayer that your success won't be as a result of someone's downfall. Onkoso enye obi ahwe ase. Wani munyam enye obi anim wase. Uyidie enye obi hia. Ewo Yesu Kristo dim. Nyame nka ho.